Hello, I'm back to continue with the subject elements of taxation. The topic is value-added tax. Today we're going to discuss three things. One is remission of VAT. Number two, rebate of VAT. And three, refund of VAT. Three areas. And in Kenya, refund, rebate, and remission all refer to ways in which VAT that has been charged or paid is returned to a taxpayer, but they apply in different circumstances. These terms apply in different circumstances, but generally, these three, rebate, remission, and refund, refers to ways in which VAT that has been charged is returned to the taxpayer. The three refers to ways in which VAT that has been charged is returned to the taxpayer. But the three are used in different circumstances. Refers to ways in which VAT that has been charged is returned to the taxpayer. But they apply in different circumstances and have distinct legal basis and processes. So the idea is the same, returning VAT that has been charged to the taxpayer. So returning VAT that has been charged to the taxpayer can be done through remission, rebate, or refund. Remission, rebate, or refund. Let's